No, let me see you do Poppy.
I see Maple.
Well, Maple's not there.
I see Maple.
Go back and do it again, and then I'll show you.
Yeah.
Can you do it with your hands?
I got Poppy. Yeah.
All done?
Yeah.
I bet there's more. Try it again. Push it up. Push it down onto the floor and stomp on it. Stomp on it.
I got.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Gaga.
No, put it down in the basement. Throw it down in the basement. We can still use it to wrap stuff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So baby. Yeah.
Thank you.
I see Maple.